Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here, and today I'm going to be doing a review of a brand new wig that I just received from wigshe. It's a beautiful wig, and let's do an unboxing video so you can see what the wig looks like right outside the box, and then I will give you a review. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I review lots of hair toppers and anything to help with alopecia, lots of tips and tricks about wigs, toppers, and ways of disguising visible scalp and hair treatments that I'm going through. So if you want to come on this journey with me, please hit subscribe. All right, so this wigshe wig came in a beautiful box with a ribbon, and I'm just going to unbox it now, okay? This is definitely one of the nicer packaging that I've received. The wig is in this bag here, and it's come with a little card with its website, as well as a band to help to keep the wig securely in place. So now let's take a look at this wig. It comes in this really nice soft silky bag, and this beautiful 18-inch human hair wig. Here we go. This is it right here. It feels great. The human hair feels like a really good quality. All right, now let's try it on. All right, so now it's time to take a look at this wigshe wig. Now let's talk a little bit about this beautiful piece right here. So this is from wigshe, and it's called the Natural Hairline Blonde Ombre Invisible Lace High Quality Wig, and the number is WIG 038. Now, one of the things that I love about this, it's 100% Remy human hair. Its density is 120%. It's a good density, but it's not too heavy. It's 18 inches, and it's in this beautiful blonde ombre color. Now, if you go inside, one of the things that I love about this one is that it has two clips by the ears to help to hold it securely in place. And then along here is fully, I got fully bleached knots, and so it makes the lace like invisible on your scalp. So there's none of those grid lines, which I'll do a close up when it's on. So let's just do a close up of this right here. And then this lace is all throughout here. So if you want to move the part, you can move the part all throughout here. And then in the back here, so it's wefting. And there's also ties in the bottom. So if you want to make it, if you wanted to make it smaller to fit your head. And they also have a comb here at the back as well to hold it in place. And they also have another comb just right here at the base where the wefting begins. So in terms of all the wigs that I've seen, this one definitely will hold the best in place. So now let's get this on so you can see what it looks like on. Okay, so now that the wig is on, one of the first things that I noticed that I love about this wig, I'm just gonna tuck any hairs I have behind there, is the fully bleached knot. So let me come in close so that you can see the part line here. It is so natural looking. So when I cut the lace and I put it on, I'm just so happy that I ordered this wig in with fully bleached knots. You can order partial bleached, or you can order fully bleached. I decided to order fully bleached. For those of you who have never bought a wig before, what those bleached knots do is, instead of seeing like the little grid lines and the little black or like little dark dots all across here, you don't see that because they're bleached. I love also that, like, so this is my natural hair coming out of here. So it can look natural on. I can put my hair behind my ears. Now let's do a Let's do a turnaround so that you can see how it looks in the back. I also think that if I were to, I think if I play with this a little bit, I could probably do some styling in terms of like maybe like putting my hair up a little bit. Like I could kind of put it up a little bit, so get a little bit out of my face. But it's by far the most natural wig I've ever put on in terms of the part line. Like it really looks like it's my hair growing right out of it. In terms of who I would recommend this for, I'd recommend it for someone like me who has alopecia and wants to experience a full head of hair. I would recommend it for or anybody that really wants a wig. You don't have to have alopecia to buy a wig. Also, I recommend this for anyone who has maybe bought a wig in the past and maybe is skeptical because of the part line looking unnatural. I recommend this for anyone who is really intent on having their wig as natural looking as possible. Now, for anyone who is interested in buying this wig, if you use the code Stephanie, and I'll put the link in the description below, you will get 20% off of this wig. If you're going to order this one, I suggest don't order the partially bleached, order the fully bleached knots. I think you'll be really happy with the result. So please, if you'd like to buy this one, use code Stephanie for a discount. And till next time, thanks. Bye.